Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Mostly Tomatoes Backyard Gardening with Liza. This morning we're going to plant some beet seeds and some turnip seeds. The beet seeds are a little bit old. They're from 2015, so we'll keep an eye on them, make sure they're sprouting. If they don't sprout, I'll have to get some new seeds and start some beets somewhere else. You'll notice this morning we're just going to plant one section of one of the garden beds. That's because if you plant successive crops, maybe every week or 2 weeks, then you'll have an extended harvest. Beets and turnips last quite a long time, so the turnip you could probably plant all at once at this time of year, and you'll have turnip throughout the fall and winter season.
So in order to get the depth right when I plant the seeds, I'm going to create my own marking depth gauge tool.
Once you have your planting depth gauge tool, let's go have some fun.
Here's a close-up of the beet seeds. Whoops. I don't know if you can see these turnip seeds. They are quite small compared to the beet seeds.
So let's get these in the ground. So first, I'm going to smooth the ground a little bit, the area where I'm going to plant, just so that it's nice and flat and water won't pool up in any one spot. Then we're going to plant to the depth of 1/2 inch. So make a bunch of holes. Beets and turnip can be spaced pretty closely together. I'm going to plant them in groups of maybe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll put 9 beet seeds in this one section. I'm going to cover them up, if you can find them, and pat them down gently. And then we'll give them a little extra water. The soil is pretty moist from last night's storm, and it's supposed to rain again. That's it. We're going to do the same thing with our turnip seeds. Here's a pot I had some dill growing in earlier in the season. I wanted to show you that anyone, even if you don't have a garden bed or a big yard, if you have the right soil and light, then you can plant vegetables or other things in pots. So let's try planting some of the same turnip seeds in this pot, and we will see what happens. We'll check back next week to see how our sprouts are doing in the ground compared to in the pot. Until then, thank you and take care.